This is the Presentation Layout tab. The purpose of this layout is to collect the findings we created when we were in the checking layout and formulate results in such a form that makes it easy to communicate those findings with, for example, the design team. Let's start by collecting our findings by clicking Create a New Presentation or Add New Presentation. We're going to name this presentation Project 123. We also have a prefix option, so you can use prefixes like Phase 1, for example. Next, you select the rule sets that you want to include in this presentation. So we have one rule set with two viewpoints that we want to include in our presentation. We hit the OK button, and now we're able to go through these one by one. So we have two slides that we can toggle between. We may also add new slides on the fly. For instance, I can zoom out, click the New Slide option, and that will add a new slide to my presentation. We can also move this to the top if we want, so we're going to add a comment, finish adding our comment, and we can move this slide to the top. So we can select the slide, right click, and move that up. There's also a full screen mode available in the bottom right hand corner. We can click on the full screen option for presentations, for instance. Now let's go back to the standard mode, so I can click the full screen button again. There's still one more thing to be done, as we want to assign these the responsibilities for these tasks. So to accomplish this, we'll double click a slide and select Coordination tab. Here you want to assign this task, for example, to the architect. So we will just leave the party as ARC and hit the Add button and hit OK. Our next example maybe should be solved by the structural engineer. So in this case, we will assign that to structural. And once we've completed those steps, we have the ability to generate a report. Let's go ahead and click the Report button. We'll leave this Coordination Report icon checked, so we're going to generate an Excel file. And now we'll save the report. The report is now open as a spreadsheet, and of course you can see the responsibilities, who the author of this report was, as well as required actions and the status of any particular case.